after sporting play. We will show you fine diversion before you go away. It is room. We've got that. Brave gallant boys, give us room to rhyme. Thank you. This is room we wish to resort. Resort and repeat our many rhymes, for remember, good folks, it is the Christmas times. This Christmas time, as we do now up here, we would wish to act our Merry Christmas here. For we are many actors who travel the street. We are many actors who fight for our needs. We are the merry actors who show a pleasant play. Enter St. Dennis. Clear the way. Hey, clear the way for St. Dennis.
A stately knight, well armed with sword and shield, approaches hopping proudly o'er the field. Sir Knight, where camest thou? Also tell me where thou art bound. Thy name and country so declaim, I fear thee not, although thou look so big, nor for thy long sword do I care a fig.
No my demands are insolent, yet condescend was briefly to reply. A knight am I, not unknown to fame. St. George, the bold of England's my name. Still at the front of battle foremost found, by field and flood for martial deeds renowned. Many's the brave knight I've stretched upon the plain, towns that I have taken, and mighty giants slain. And lately, indeed, 'tis a feat to brag on, I've killed with this good sword a most furious dragon. I did.
What a real dragon was it?
Yes, it was a real dragon. Well, what was it if it wasn't a dragon?
It was a lizard.
Well, it was a damn big lizard, wasn't it? And I killed it.
No,
right.
you didn't.
Well, I cut its tail off, and by the time I'd finished with it, it had a sore bottom. This isn't going to sound so good now. And lately, in a feat dead wizard, I cut the tail off quite a large lizard. He's not scared now, is he? Deeply enamoured of a lady bright, sure. Through the world I travelled as a knight. More fair, more virtuous, leave it out. More divine than she, in any realm or country, ne'er can be. When I say, I'll prove this any night. By dint of arm, fierce and mortal fight.
St. George, thou talkest like an ass. Full of conceit, all I let thee pass till I have banged thy hide, thou empty boaster, spite thy swaggering arms and long cheese toaster. A knight of France, St. Dennis famed am I, and ere we part I surely mean to try whether I cannot lower thy lofty tones and bring thee catered to thy marrow bones. Forced to confess that on this world so round, beef from France is still more safe and sound.
Thy head come off thy shoulders, soon I'll lop if I can get past Stewart. And that foul man that never stop. An English knight on coming to the stretch, so had me on the cameraman. The two of France has always found a match. Did you want a close-up, Stewie?
Yeah.
Here we go. Yes. Oh, come on. Oh. I died by a Frenchman's hand. Where's it driving? Ah, fate too cruel.
I think I've given St. George his gruel.
Aha! I am St. Patrick. Ireland gave me birth, Bigorra. I'm trying to get in dearest Dublin, sweetest place on earth, be Javers. Sword or shillelagh, equally I wield. Hang on, I can't read it. To break a head or cut a throat, well skilled. Fighting and eating, drinking my trade is. With some spare time devoted to the ladies. What are the ladies? If you find a lady, when did you want them?
They were from the ladies when you wanted.
What comes next? Saint I'm called, and that was allow that now and then I dearly love a row. That's swashbuckling. I'm buckling my swash. The English George you fairly floored, I see, and now, my boy, you'll take a turn with me. Come on, St. Denis, from Floats of France, and without fiddle, I will make you dance.
For this thou well deserves a broken head. Ha! Born in a bog and on potatoes fed. Nor bog nor Murphy shall delight thee more. This weapon sends thee to the Stygian shore. I'll put a stopper to thy balls and bro, and rid the world right quickly of a row.
Fend it off nicely.
Alas, St. Patrick. Rather queer I feel. Run through the body by the Irish steel. Prithee, good fellow, for a doctor raw, or poor St. Denis soon will be no more.
Oh, poor chap. Hello, a doctor. Is there a doctor in the house?
You called for a doctor? I'm here. Shallop's my name, and for all sorts of ills I've lotions, potions, powders, bolus, pills.
But whence came ye, good sir?
Oh, from France, from Spain, from Rome I've come from all parts of Christendom.
Well spoken, doctor. But tell us, what can you cure?
All sorts of diseases, whatever you please. All pains within, all pains without, the plague, the palsy and the gout. And for cholera morbus too, complaint terrific. I've a never failing and a grand specific. The itch, the stitch, the mollygrubs. I can cure all these deeds. All big-bellied maids and such like jays. Likewise, I can pledge my life that I can cure a scolding wife. Let her be cursed or ever so stout. If the devil's in, I'll blow him out.
But, good doctor, what is your fee?
Oh, no fee do I ask for if I make no cure.
My prithee, doctor, cease thy bothering cant. A midwife in this case, we do not want. Thy aid obstetric for some female friend, if there be need, I'll Jarrett recommend. These wounded knights straightway demand thy care.
We demand thy care.
Run through the guts and mortal fight they wear.
Well, run through the guts is sure a sad disaster. But even for that, I have a surprising plaster.
Say, doctor, in this little black bag, which happens to be brown, what do you carry? What's specific?
Well, I have a little bottle somewhere of Prixum Praxum, Rixum Raxum, with icocolori. A little of this to their nostrils, soon their vigour will restore, and make them sound and active as before.
Oh, he is.
I'm ready. I'm making a big entrance.
Cease, good nights. No, after this squabble, let's hand us, yeah, that was very good ad-lib, wasn't it? Let's hand us, I don't know the words, so I can't ad-lib. Be friendship and together let us dine. Hungry am I, and well prepared for whatever it is, with no objection to a glass of grog.
To a good piece of French beef, I am nothing loath.
And on a twist that'll surprise you both. We sing.
Success to all great boys and sons and gallant heart. On banquet field, on banquet floor, prepared to play a part. We handle well and walk and knife, likewise with sword and spear. And we wish you a Merry Christmas and a good New Year. And we wish you a Merry Christmas and a good New Year. And we wish you a good New Year. With hostile bands confronted to fight we are not slack. On roast beef and on bullying we make a stout attack.
We handle well a fork and knife, likewise a sword and spear, and we wish you a Merry Christmas and a good New Year. And we wish you a Merry Christmas and a good New Year. And we wish you a good New Year. Now, to dinner!
Stop! I wish to know who's going to take down, put down my fee before we go.
Well, this morning, good doctor, I had a 10-penny, but on the road I spent it all on beer. And now I've not a copper in my breeches. St. George, come and satisfy this gentleman. Beg your pardon? I'm short a rhino too, I'm not a rat.
You're right, good doctor, though I'll try and borrow a £1 note, so call again tomorrow.
I'm fairly diddled. Birds of a feather, all three, and humbugs all together. No cash and call again tomorrow, all a bubble. The doctor's bilked, lost in his time and trouble. I prithee, good folks, I hope you'll pity my mishap and kindly got the proper test of and may a Merry Christmas and a good New Year attend you all with plenty of good beer.